Of auto access to messages on Instagram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this very problem of yours. But before that, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Instagram on the device. For that, you need to go to the Google Play Store and search for the Instagram on the top side. After you search for the Instagram, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version. If it's not updated, just hit on the update option. And now just open your Instagram application and log into your account. Tap on the very profile icon, tap on the three vertical lines on the top right side. Scroll a little bit down where you will see the option of messages and story replies. Tap there. Now tap on the message control option, and here you will see auto access to messages, which I have already disabled. But if you have enabled it just like this, then you can disable it by pulling the cursor on the left side. So that's how you can solve your problem. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.